How to make text move in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to animate text and make it move in CapCut. It's super simple, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, add the text to your clip. So here, just tap on the text plus icon to add a new text layer, and after that type in your desired text. For example, I'll use Minecraft. So here you can drag the text clip so it matches the length of your video. And here once you're done adding the text, it's time to set up keyframes for motion. So here just select the text layer, and from here scroll down to the basic section in the bottom menu and find the position option. And here once you have found that, just tap on the diamond icon to add a keyframe, and here at the first point in the timeline set X to 0 and Y to 0. And here once you're done with that, simply move the playhead forward and drag the text slightly to the right. And here once you're done with that, the second keyframe will automatically be created, and now your text will animate from center to right. And now here, if you want to make the text move again, you can just move the playhead forward and adjust the position to left, and another keyframe will be added. And now your text moves from the center, right, left, and that's it. That's how it's easy to make your text move in CapCut using keyframes. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.